Man, that was weird.
Forget what Grandpa says. It's payback time. Forearm should settle this up.
Oh, man! Maybe I can work with this.
The answer to your question, Benjamin, is no. Those powers still belong to me.
The hands are gone, Eon. Your world is gone.
You could have been a god!